So you have two connection poles. I'm going to try to take it out of the package. Give me a second here. Okay, so here it is. Model number, backup alarm. Okay, Wolo. And you have the positive and the negative that also bolts to the chassis. You have the ears that bolt to the chassis either downwards or perpendicularly. Okay, so depending on the way your backup alarm is bolted in, you can either go downwards or forward. Okay, you also have a warning label here. It's a sticker that you can put it. This vehicle is equipped with a backup alarm. Alarm must sound. Operator must make certain alarm is working before operating vehicle. And it says, attach this label to the dashboard in full view of operator. I don't really need that because the truck is mine and I don't have other people working on it. So, and you also get these mounting screws that come with it. So pretty much everything you need to mount it is there. Now I'm gonna go to the back of the truck and I'm gonna show you the old beeper. So here is the back of the truck, and here is the old beeper. So this guy here, it's no longer working. So I'm gonna have to take off these transversal screws. One, and the second one is over there. You can't see it because of the light outside, but it's there. So I'm gonna take those two out. I'm gonna snip the cables here. The cable goes this way and it plugs in. You have this plug here that goes into the backup light.